Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject English, class 9, and textbook will be Beehive. Chapter number 6, My Childhood. So today is the summary of my childhood. My childhood summary deals with the famous biography Wings of Fire of the celebrated Indian APJ Abdul Kalam. My childhood refers to a section in this book. This section or chapter talks about the early days of Kalam. Furthermore, the chapter gives us an idea of how the childhood of Abdul Kalam prepared him to become a successful scientist and president in the further. Much has to do with his upbringing, which Kalam discussed in this section from Wings of Fire. Moreover, Kalam tells us about his parents and sibling here. He also mentions the important role of his friends in his life. In short, one can say that my childhood, Kalam mentions everything that had an impact on his life. This thing shaped him into the successful man he became in the future. Now I will give this chapter in detail, so please pay attention. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a Muslim family that was middle class. Furthermore, he had three brothers. Moreover, Kalam also had one sister. Furthermore, his father and mother were both a good nature. Moreover, Kalam's childhood house was ancestral. The further the father of APJ Abdul Kalam lived a life that one can say was very simple. Nevertheless, his father made all the necessities available to his children. Furthermore, his parents did not have any education and they were also not rich. Moreover, many outsiders ate with the family every day. Also, Kalam had the qualities of self discipline and honesty due to his parents. Kalam's family was secular in nature. His family his family was secular in nature. His family gave an equal amount of respect to all the religions. Furthermore, there was participation from his family in Hindu festival. Moreover, Kalam heard stories of the Prophet and Ramayana from his grandmother and mother. All of this clearly shows the secularism present in his family. Friendship was influential in Kalam's childhood. Furthermore, he had three friends. Furthermore, their religious backgrounds were different. Moreover, there was not a trace of feelings and discrimination amongst those friends. All these friends, including Kalam, went into the different professions. In fifth standard, a new teacher came to the class of Kalam. In class, Kalam was wearing a cap. This cap certainly gave Kalam a distinct Muslim identity. Moreover, Kalam always sat near Ramananda, a Hindu priest's son. This was something that he knew teacher was not able to tolerate. Consequently, Kalam was required to sit on the back bench. This incident, both the friends felt very sad and told this to their parents. Furthermore, Ramananda's father met with the teacher to inform him not to spread the social inequality and communal hatred. He made a demand that the apology must come. Furthermore, in case of refusal, the teacher must quit. Consequently, there was reformation. The nature of the teacher and an apology came from him. On one occasion, a science teacher of Abdul asked him to come to his home for dinner. However, the wife of the science teacher did not agree to serve Kalam due to her belief in religious segregation. Consequently, the science teacher made a decision to serve food to Kalam. Furthermore, the teacher himself sat beside Kalam to eat a meal. The wife of the science teacher was observing all this behind the door. The science teacher gave the social invitation to Kalam for a meal next weekend. This time, the wife served all with her own hands but from inside the kitchen. Kalam's upbringing came to an end when he received permission to go Ramanantapuram for further studies after the end of Second World War. His father and mother certainly loved, however, this love didn't mean they forced him their decision on Kalam. So this was the chapter. Now my childhood summary brings out the essence of the childhood of this great Indian president in front of the readers. So this was the explanation of chapter. Thank you so much.